So I've been kind of wanting to expand what I do with Massive Electric for a while now, and still stay within the electrical industry. But I wanted to kind of expand the information that we talk about here. I do have a lot of detailed information and technical information and troubleshooting thoughts and things like that that I still want to talk about. But I found this article through the Get Hired newsletter, written by Andrew Seaman, and the title of the article is "Here's Who's Hiring Right Now." Uh, so this kind of gives us a synopsis of the economic health of the labor industry as a whole nationwide right now. And there are dozens, even hundreds of employers that are listed here, and I'll go through a bunch of them just to give you an idea, and then I'll give you some thoughts about this afterwards. So he says companies from industries spanning from technology to retail are hiring to meet increased demand caused by coronavirus pandemic. Below is a regularly updated list of companies hiring right now, and this was last updated October 9th, 2020. I realize this information will be dated in the coming months and obviously years, but to the point, which we'll get to at the end here. I think it'll help some people understand something. So I'll just go through this. So Target plans to hire approximately 130,000 seasonal team members for 2020. Amazon says that it's hiring more than 100,000 people. UPS is hiring more than 100,000 people for open positions. FedEx is hiring people for more than 70,000 roles, including seasonal. McDonald's is hiring people for more than 50,000 roles. Albertsons is hiring 50,000 people. CVS Health is hiring 50,000 employees. Department of Veterans Affairs looking to hire 45,000 positions. Walmart is hiring 35,000 positions. On and on. Electronic Arts 700. Skipping. There's dozens and dozens here. So I could go through all these. The point is not for me to read all of these, and I'll link the article, like I say, for you. But the point is to realize the economic health of the labor industry as a whole right now, and how that affects electrical. So obviously, a lot of these jobs that are being posted are seasonal work, because we're coming into the Christmas season. You know, people are starting to hire for Black Friday and Christmas and all that stuff. But not all these positions, not all these companies are seasonal. And a lot of companies are hiring due to attrition. You know, people quitting, getting better jobs, people retiring, you know, people getting tired of their work, that type of thing. But a lot of companies, local companies, are having a hard time hiring people because some people are just sitting on unemployment because unemployment was made to look attractive right now. So some people are just sitting at home doing minimal work, but if you're the type of person that wants to work, there's work for you. You can go out there and get it, obviously. And then also, you know, we're seeing a lot of hiring due to the expansion of online retail and web positions because of the lockdown. You know, consumers' buying habits are changing, and people are buying and ordering online more than ever. You know, Amazon, FedEx, and UPS are all booming right now. Right here in the valley I live in, both FedEx and UPS are probably doubling their workload right now, and I know that both facilities are expanding. Construction-wise, they're doing expansions. So a lot of these expansions for these type of positions are going to be logistics and stock and drivers and operations and shipping and fulfillment and that type of thing. But it is work long term, and I would say that consumer habits are probably going to be changing indefinitely as far as buying stuff online. And so there is work out there, and for the skilled trades, for the electrician, that means that a lot of these companies that are hiring, because they're expanding, because of their online business sales, it's going to mean work in the construction industry and also in the service industry for you guys that have been in the trade for a while. Now, I know that some states, Washington or Oregon, and I know New York City as well, New York as a whole, they early on labeled electricians as non-essential workers, and I don't know if that was for a short period of time, but that is really strange to me. And some states have continued heavy-handed lockdowns and it's hurting the economy. People haven't been working for months, and businesses have had to shut down, and so people that are living there in those type of states are leaving in droves. I think that where I live, we had something like almost 10,000, 10 or 11,000 people moved into the area, which is almost a 10% increase. Real estate is crazy here and in many other markets. Homes are being purchased sight unseen in less than 8 hours. And that means that if a homeowner puts their house on the market Monday morning, it's sold by Monday afternoon. And that's been how the market here has been for the better part of the summer anyway. So what we're seeing is in some areas where the economy is being suppressed, it's pushing business out. So if where you are work is slow or you can't work, there is work in other places, in other states, in other counties, in other cities. So see it as an opportunity. If you're willing to change or make a change to your work environment or where you live or who you work for, and you're flexible and you are skilled and you know what your value is in the market, there's work for you out there. And you got to be creative with technology changing everything. It's going to affect all of our work. The whole online thing is affecting everybody's buying habits. So I do have some thoughts that kind of go along with this, which I will have for another video for tomorrow, and how to take advantage of this as the employee, as the electrician in the field. Some of you guys might be working for companies that are less than exciting, and the work, you shouldn't hate going to work. You should enjoy going to work. And right now is a phenomenal opportunity for you to change that. If you're working for someone who you can't stand or you don't like the work environment or bad management or whatever, take advantage of it. Like, the economy right now is really good for people that have good work ethic and know what they want and they know what their skill level is. So anyway, I'll have a lot more thoughts along these lines tomorrow to help you guys in the trades really as a whole, but kind of find better negotiate better job positions or move somewhere else. There's no shame in doing that. The staying with the company thing is long gone. That's a decades old habit that employees used to have, but that doesn't exist anymore. Just being loyal to one company for 10 or 20 years, that doesn't happen, because companies aren't going to be loyal to you. I can tell you that right now. So anyway, a lot more thoughts on that tomorrow. I'll have another video for you. But anyway, for today, I'll have a link for this article in the description. Here's who's hiring right now, just an economic outlook for, what is today? October 10th or something like that. 2020. So, hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you on the next one. So, wanted to say thank you for watching the video today. Hope it was helpful for you. I have a lot of contact information and other social media sites you can check out. So, my email is massiveelectric2014@gmail.com. There's an Instagram account at massive_electric. There's a Twitter account you can contact me through. It's at Massive Electric. I've got a Patreon, which I'm going to be adding a few videos to, specifically along the lines of training for like troubleshooting thoughts and things like that. I have a lot more videos I want to add to that, and that can be done through the Patreon. I've got a few consulting accounts started through Clarity, Upwork, and Moonlighting, which you can find. And I also have, when we start a blog on Medium and Blogger, I think, for now. So I've got an account started for those, and I'll have some thoughts there. I am going to be doing some freelance copywriting. So for any business-to-business web services, particularly in the electrical industry, electrical publications, websites, manufacturers, contractors, wholesalers, retailers, I will be doing some copywriting, and I'll have ways to make myself available for that, so you can contact me through my email if you are interested in that. And so hope this video was helpful, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.